Are you getting an error message when trying to connect an Access database to Power BI? Don't worry, we're here to help. Shall we start? Welcome to Made Easy. My name is Mark, and along with our dedicated team, we're here to make software learning simple and enjoyable. Explore our wide range of video tutorials for a seamless learning experience. Here, I'm trying to connect to an Access database called Northwind, but I'm encountering an error message. Let's resolve this issue together. The first solution is to install the Access Database Engine. You can download this from the Microsoft website. The link is provided in the description. Go to the website and click on the download button. Choose the version you need, 32-bit or 64-bit. If your Office product is 32-bit, you must download the 32-bit version of the Access Database Engine. If your Office product is 64-bit, download the 64-bit version. Here, this one is the 64-bit version, and this one is the 32-bit version. First, I will show you what happens if you download the wrong one. I have a 64-bit Office product, but I'm going to download the 32-bit version Access Database Engine. When I try to install it, the installation fails, and I get an error message like this. Now, I'll download the correct version, which is 64-bit. After installing this, relaunch Power BI. Again, I'll try to connect to the Northwind database. Unfortunately, I still get an error message. By now, you might guess the reason. Here the reason is a mismatch between the versions of the Office product and Power BI. Here, I have a 64-bit Office product but a 32-bit Power BI. The second solution is to download and install the matching Power BI version. You can download Power BI from the link provided in the description. Then, install it. Now, I'm launching the 64-bit Power BI and trying to connect to the Access database again. This time, there is no error message and the connection is successful. If you want to know more about the connecting Access database to Power BI, we have another video on it. Check link in the description. That's everything I wanted to show you in this video. Hopefully, you found it useful. Give us a thumbs up and explore more tutorials on Made Easy. If you're new here, we'd love to have you join our online community. Thanks for joining us on this learning journey. See you in the next video.